Climbers, welcome to this essential guide on how to properly coil your climbing rope. A well-coiled rope is crucial for keeping it clean, tangle-free, and ready for your next adventure. Let's get started. Lay the rope flat on the ground and ensure it is completely entangled. Start from one end and straighten it carefully. Wrap both ends of the rope and hold them together to create a loop. This will be your starting point. Begin forming loops by folding the rope back and forth in your hand, keeping the lengths even. Once you've coiled the entire rope, leave a small tail to wrap around the coil to secure it. Finish by tying a secure knot to keep the coil in place. Your rope is now ready to carry or store. A detailed view of the climbing rope's texture, color, and pattern. Notice the high quality build of this essential climbing gear. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of coiling a climbing rope. Proper care ensures your gear stays in top condition. Now get out there and climb with confidence.